Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to make Microsoft Edge paste plain text URLs instead of creating a hyperlink with a shortcut to seed URL. And then I'll show you how to make the modification settings in a quick steps. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Edge browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then you need to select the three dot icon. And the next step, you need to select the settings. And then dito sa settings, ay mo lang select dito yung share, copy, and paste. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa share, copy, and paste, makikita mo kaagad dito yung URL, copy and paste, format, default. Okay? So may dalawang options dito na pwede natin gawin, ang link, and then tong plain text. Okay, so click mo lang tong plain text. And then, pwede mong gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus B. Right? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin gawin ang Microsoft Edge paste plain text URL. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.